Hello everyone, welcome to the Planet V. Today, we're beyond excited to share our first adventure in Morocco, featuring our journey from Fez to the enchanting Merzouga Desert. We booked a fantastic 2-day, 1-night all-inclusive tour package through Get Your Guide. Our day kicked off bright and early, departing Fez at 7:30 a.m. with a mission to catch the mesmerizing sunset in Merzouga. The 8-hour drive was nothing short of spectacular, taking us through the charming city of Ifran and making a quick pit stop at Ifran National Park to meet the adorable Berber monkeys, who call this unique region home. Along the way, we were treated to breathtaking views of the snow-capped Atlas Mountains and picturesque towns. Stay tuned for an exclusive sneak peek of this must-try desert adventure, perfect for your future trip to Morocco. This is the impressive Gorges, where we had a quick stopover. It offers a rocky route through the Tunnel du Légionnaire, built by French in 1928. Further south, the valley expands, revealing a dense canopy of palms nestled between ancient Jurassic period cliffs. It's worth exploring these rich, untouristed palm groves. The trip from Fez to Merzouga is well-timed so that upon arrival, it's almost sunset. After finding our group guide, we started the camel trekking right away, a relaxing end to a long van trip from Fez. One of the most unique and unforgettable experiences in the Chebi Dunes is camel trekking through the desert. Riding a camel offers a slow, rhythmic journey that allows you to fully immerse yourself in the vast, serene landscape. As you sway with the camel's gentle pace, you can feel a deep connection to the traditional nomadic lifestyle that has been part of this region for centuries. The trek takes you across rolling sand dunes, providing panoramic views that are both humbling and awe-inspiring. The Chebi Dunes in Merzouga are a stunning natural wonder with towering sand formations reaching heights of up to 150 meters. These majestic dunes stretch as far as the eye can see, creating an awe-inspiring landscape. The wind constantly reshapes the sand, crafting mesmerizing patterns that dance across the surface. The ever-changing ripples and ridges in the sand provide a surreal and enchanting backdrop, perfect for photography and contemplation. At sunrise and sunset, the dunes glow with a warm golden hue, offering an unforgettable visual spectacle that captures the essence of the Moroccan desert. What an amazing experience riding on a camel in Sahara Desert. It's really worth the long travel to see this place, to experience all of this. This is there. Exploring the Merzouga Desert offered more than just breathtaking landscapes. It was a profound journey into Berber culture. The Berbers, indigenous to North Africa, shared their traditional music and dance that echoed through the desert dunes. As part of our package tour, we stayed in luxurious accommodation in the middle of the desert, under the expansive, starry sky. The night became a magical blend of cultural immersion and natural beauty as we gathered around a bonfire listening to soulful tunes that resonated deeply with their history and values. After a brief time enjoying the music, Valdez and I ventured away to a quiet spot in the desert, appreciating the silence and gazing at the clear night sky. We looked up, taking in the breathtaking view of the stars and constellations. A serene moment that added another layer to our unforgettable desert experience. I got curious if any films were shot in this stunning location, and after a bit of research, I discovered that some scenes from Aquaman were indeed filmed here. In the movie, Arthur, played by Jason Momoa, and Mera, played by Amber Heard, travel to the underwater metropolis of the deserters, hidden beneath the Sahara Desert. There, they uncover a hologram that directs them to the Trident's coordinates in Sicily, Italy. As we wrap up our unforgettable journey through the Merzouga Desert, I can't help but reflect on how truly magical this experience was. Despite the long ride, every moment was worth it. The serene landscapes, the starry skies, and the rich Berber culture all combined to create memories that will last a lifetime. I invite everyone to visit this incredible place and feel the magic of the desert for themselves. Trust me, it's an adventure you won't want to miss. Please share this video and I invite you to subscribe for more travels with the Planet V. Until next time, keep exploring, and stay curious.